Earthquake of magnitude 6.2 strikes Greece. An earthquake of magnitude 6.2 struck Greece on Wednesday, the European Mediterranean Seismological Center (EMSC) said, having earlier reported magnitudes of 6.9 and 5.9 for the trembler. According to the Athens Observatory, the epicenter of the quake was 21 kilometers (13 miles) south of the town of Elissona, near Larissa. While its depth was 10 kilometers (6.2 miles). A fire service official in Athens said there were no reports of damages or injuries so far but added, "My colleagues felt it, it was strong." Greek seismologist Vasilis Karathanasis told state television that the tremor was felt across Greece.